Right, our next idea is what happens when you have a difference of squares, a squared minus b squared. This is important enough factorization that you should have it memorized. This is always going to be a plus b times a minus b. Now, in case you've forgotten how this works, here's a picture for you. Okay, let's imagine a squared is the area of this square with dimensions a times a. And then if we're subtracting b squared, we're going to take this little square in the corner with dimensions b times b, and we're going to cut it out. Okay, so we only have this blue area left, and that's a squared minus b squared for the area. Now what you can imagine is, well, if you cut this funny L shape, that doesn't change the area. So if you cut it right here, this dimension is going to be b. This dimension is still a minus b. And this dimension is going to be a minus b. Finally, if you move this green rectangle to the bottom here, you'll notice that you have a rectangle that's a minus b times a plus b in this direction. So the areas are the same, so they're equal. Another way that you could convince yourself is, okay, let's say we want to expand this properly. This is going to be a squared plus ab minus ab minus b squared. And you can see that this ab and negative ab term cancel out. So these two expressions really are equal. Let's use this trick to help us factor some binomials. The first one on the list is 4x squared minus 49. You'll notice that both of these are perfect squares, and it's the difference. So that's, if we write it as 2x in brackets squared minus 7 squared, you'll notice that, that a is going to be 2x and b is going to be 7. So therefore, it's going to be 2x plus 7 times 2x minus 7. Next example is very similar. We have 16x squared minus 25y squared. Both of these you can see are perfect squares. The first one is 4x all squared, and the second one is 5y all squared. So using our difference of squares factorization, that's going to be 4x plus 5y times 4x minus 5y. Now, I did say that you should have this memorized, but in the case that you do forget, here's one way that you could do it with your normal trinomial factoring techniques. So let's say we did 4x squared minus 49 again. You can imagine that there's a 0x term in there. Okay, so how do you make a 0? Well, the same way as before. So let's list all of our factors. Okay, and we know that it's negative 49, so at least one of these has to be negative. And when you try these out, you're going to figure out that 2x and 2x combined with negative 7 and positive 7, this combination is going to give you negative 14x plus 14x, which is 0x, so that checks out. Of course, this is inefficient, so try to do it just by recognizing it the first time.